Hey guys, we are planning a perfect trade for maybe tomorrow or maybe this week. I don't know, but I'm leaving my pending order in this system, and I love this kind of trade because the RR ratio and the way we read these kind of structure. Now this thing over there is confirming one more upside in this, okay? And that way we are going to fill our entry in this move, okay? And then we will be placing our target. This will be our target, and this is the stop for this, okay? So almost 1:3 4. So this is the trade, and this is really nice trade. So if you see any weakness, those who are back foot trader, make sure you are in it, okay? So I'm placing my pending orders. I'll be updating you once I get filled into it. Hey guys, I just came to the system and got to know that we got filled, and we also saved ourselves from hitting the stop. And now this is the trade which is going in our direction. So this will be going till tomorrow, and I'll be updating you on this one as I see something on it. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, this is the final update in the copper trade. As you can see, if we are booking our full of the profits at the targets, and that's what I like about the most about this pattern which we have discovered in the market. Anyways, another good trade into our pocket. I'll see you soon guys if I find any other good trade into the market. Bye bye.